Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Josie. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being part of my friend. For those of you who have been following me, if you see this binder, it means it's my peace of mind fund. I'm trying to get a position so that you guys can see the money I'm dealing with. So for these funds, I have it here. I've been explaining a lot about these funds to everybody that it's a peace of mind. It means it's the same as my month ahead. So I'm saving towards it gradually, and also we will also go ahead and move it to my high yield savings account anytime I save about $400 like monthly. Then I move it, then I'm building it up. When I'm done with this, I'm going to gradually build it up to 3 to 6 months of emergency fund. It's kind of like I'm starting all over. Yes, it is. Because we've used our emergency fund so many times and we continue to do that. So that's the peace of mind. It's very, very easy to kickstart your peace of mind. If you have not been watching my videos, go ahead and do so that you know. It's very simple. You just have to set a goal for your essentials. The most important, the most common one is mortgage or rent. Then you save towards it gradually until you get a full amount, and that it means that you are a month ahead. So today I'm going to go ahead and start. Normally I save with $100 every week for this fund, but I've been getting too late about this. But today we're going to do it. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So that's $100 that is going. I've done the calculation. I did everything, and I know that if I do $100 every week, $400 a month, I'll be able to hit this goal very quick. Hopefully, I will. So this is my mortgage. That one get $50. So I'll go ahead and do another leaf here. Then I'll put 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope everybody is doing very well. This week is one of the busiest weeks for me because we are going for a business trip, but it's okay. Okay, my next one is food. Food get $20. So I'll do 1, 2, 20. Okay. My next one is gas. Gas gets $5. My next one is car insurance. That one gets $6. My next one is phone. Phone get $4. Electricity also get $4. Home gas get $3. Internet get $3. Apple One get $1. Then the last one, miscellaneous. That one get $4. And that's all for the month ahead. And so now that we are done, the next, I think when I do the next one, I might take it out and take it to my higher savings account. So thank you for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.